guys, it's Nikki and Watson, and well, Watson's down here. I don't know if you can see him. Watsy, can you see? Can you get up? There. Hi, Watsy. Okay, we are here because it is Stitch Fix Day, and I don't know if you can tell, but the sun is right now directly in my eyes. So I don't know how this is gonna look. But anyway, it's Stitch Fix Day. I've already cut this open. I do not know what is in here, so I am going to open this right now. For those of you who watch my videos before, I do this just so you guys can see what the clothes look like, and I'm excited to see what I got this time. So we start out with the style card, which I'm not going to look at because I don't want to know what's in there yet, and so I'll look at that afterwards, and I will try to also tell you the prices on everything. So here's the return envelope. And let's jump right in. There are a pair of shoes in here, so maybe I should start with those. I'm excited. Obviously, I know what a shoe bag looks like because I get shoes almost every fix. Okay. So I had asked for a pair of booties. I've been looking for some good booties for fall, black ones. So these look like they're suede, and I like the height of the heel, and there's like a little cutout. Okay, Watson. All right. I don't know if he likes these or not. At any rate, I will try these on. My only concern is they're suede, and I am looking for shoes for fall and winter. In Minnesota, that could be in 2 weeks. So it kind of just depends on that. So we'll see. I'll try those on. Watson, you want to hang out over there for a while? Okay. Sorry. This is funny. Okay. So clearly I am wearing some camouflage pants. These ones are capris. I don't know if you guys can see actually. They're capris. So, and I did get these through Stitch Fix, but these are, I think, called pork chop pants. So these appear to be, it says ankle skinny, and these are the cut from the cloth Tilly printed snapped side skinny pant. So I love these. I love them. They're pretty much what I'm wearing, but they're a longer version. And they do have this snap detail on the side. I have been asking for these pants or some similar ones for quite a while again. So I'm super excited that I got these. And hopefully they'll fit right. So again, they have these side snaps. Okay, next. Watson, do you like it? Okay. I've had this sweater pinned. So it is a cold shoulder sweater with these little, whatever these are called. And I like it because hopefully that will be enough to cover the bra. And it's just a stripe there and there. And I'm sorry, but I can't see you at all in the sunshine. So, and I can't see me either. But I'm excited to try this one on too. My only concern is I'm not a huge fan of, or actually I'm not a fan of stripes at all. I never knew this before, but the more striped shirts I see, they're just not for me. So we'll see. This one isn't too bad. I'm not a huge fan of stripes. So, but I pinned it, so I do like the style of it. Okay. Oh, another sweater. Okay. This is Sophie Rue. There must be another tag here. Sophie Rue Demeter cardigan, light gray. So it's just a basic cardigan. It's got a little bit of a heavier weight to it, and it's not super soft, but it's just that heavier weight. So kind of just a basic gray cardigan. So I'll try that one on. Last but not least, okay, this is the Colette. Okay, this is the Colette, what is this called again? I have this shirt in a blush color already. Okay, Colette, the Romney cold shoulder knit top. Burgundy, this is an extra small. I love this color. This is like one of my favorite colors for fall, and actually I'm sure she sent it to go with these pants because it would go with them. So I'll try this on. The one I have, it might be a small and this is an extra small, but it's boxy, and I'm okay with it being boxy, but it's not my most favorite shirt because of that, so we'll see. But I do love this color. It's one of my favorite colors for fall. So that's it. I'm gonna go in and do the try on, and I'll be back out to show you each item. All right, so I probably would not wear these together, but the stylist actually, I'm sorry, Watson is laying right here, as you can see, so it makes it difficult, but the stylist actually had, or the card showed that this bodysuit with these pants, which these are the pants I'm trying on right now. I, again, would not wear this. I would wear something over it, but these are the pants, and I am going to keep them because I love them. And here are the button snaps, if you can see them. And they're comfortable, and I like them. And again, you probably wouldn't be seeing this much of them because I would wear them with something else, which I will probably do right now. 1 second. Okay, so I actually just put the cardigan on over this. And again, personally, I think I would wear white under this with this outfit. Watson, could you possibly move? This is really difficult. Can you go over here? Come. Can you sit down? Can you lay down right here? Can you lay down, Watson? Lay down. You're such a good boy. Yeah. And you got my hair hanging over your mouth. Okay. Okay, so this is a little easier. So again, I would probably wear a white shirt with this, but let's start because I haven't talked about anything really yet. So the pants, I think I did talk about them a little, but I like them. So I'm keeping the pants for sure, and these are pants I've been looking for. The cardigan, you can see, it's just a basic gray cardigan. The length of it is decent. Like I said, maybe I should try it on with something else because I'm just not liking it here, and I'm not actually sure if this is the most flattering look on me. So that's the cardigan. Taking it off right now because it's really hot in here. So the shoes. Let's see if you guys can see them. These are the booties, and I know it's always hard to see shoes when people try them on, at least when I watch other people's videos. I can't see them very well. So this is the height of the heel. I actually really like this height of the heel. Okay, and again, I would probably tuck this in so I don't look so sloppy, but at any rate, I wanted to show you this. These are probably the type of shoes that I would more likely wear with these skinny ankle pants. The other ones are just a little taller or look a little different, especially with the camouflage. So I'm going to try on some jeans with the other two shirts, and I will be back. But just kind of showing, like, sometimes you just have to find the right pair of shoes. At least for me, these are the ones I'm the most comfortable in. Colette shirt, like I said, and I love this color. I was saying that before, like, this is exactly one of the fall colors that I asked for. So this has the cold shoulder. It still, to me, the style or shape of this shirt just is a little boxy, but I think I'm okay with it in this color. I don't know why, but I do like it. And then also, you can see the boots with jeans, and I feel like I'm liking them better with jeans than I was with those pants. I think I'd wear different boots with those, like I said. So again, I really, really would like your opinion on these because I want to be pickier again, especially on the shoes I'm getting. I want to make sure I'm going to wear them. So just let me know what you think of how they look. They're pretty comfortable. I think that I wouldn't have to worry about that, but just let me know what you think. And again, this shirt I like, so I'm most likely keeping it. I have one more shirt to try on. I'll be back. Okay, so of course I tried my brand new brown booties that I bought from Famous Footwear today. What do you think of them? Anyway, I love this shirt. I think I do. I mean, it is exactly how I figured it would fit. Again, I'm not sure I would have picked this color scheme if there were others, but it's nice and neutral. It will go with pretty much everything. So again, just kind of showing you how this fits. It totally covers bra straps. It's actually, I like the neckline. It's not too low or anything. And then here's the back of the shirt. So I think it's cute. And again, it's, you know, all sweaters are kind of like a loose and flowy fit, but I think this one's pretty comfortable. So I like this one a lot. We'll sit down and I'll talk about the things that I'm not sure about and tell you what I think I'm keeping. Okay, one more. So I'm going to open this. Actually, oh, okay, that's weird. Okay, so here's my style card, and I actually did take a look at this earlier because I had seen this in the corner, and I actually have that bodysuit, so that's why you saw me try that on with those pants, and I was not comfortable in that situation. But it looks really cute, and if somebody was comfortable, they should wear it that way, so good suggestion. All right, so I'm gonna go through the prices here, and then I'll take my ugly readers off. So let's start out with, this is the Colette Romy Cold Shoulder Knit Top in Burgundy. Like I said, it is an extra small, and it is $28. And this is a gorgeous color. Actually, I'm gonna take this off. This is a gorgeous color, and I love it for fall, and it's such a good basic shirt, so I'm definitely keeping this one. The next one is the Junie Woven Trim Booty. This is by DV8, and these are $95. So not super cheap, but again, I would really like feedback on these because I'm having a hard time finding a good pair of black booties, and maybe this is just how they're supposed to look. I don't know, but I don't, sorry. Okay. Maybe this is how they're supposed to look. I don't really know, so I'd love feedback. Totally on the fence about these. The next thing is the Byland, the IoT Byland Cold Shoulder Pullover, which is this one. This is tan and an extra small. And again, you saw it. I love it. It's cozy. I like how it fits. It's a little loose and comfy, so that one is a for sure. Okay, next, cut from the cloth, the Tide Printed Snap Side Skinny Pant, the longest names in the history of the world. I like these. Obviously, I'm going to keep them, and yes, I do have a slight problem with camo, but I can't help it, so I'm keeping these. I like that a lot. So this is the other one, the Sophie Rue Demeter cardigan. Okay, there we go. This is, okay, it's $48. That's not too bad. I was thinking it was $68. So $48, and it's a pretty good heavyweight cardigan, basic. I will get a ton of use out of it. Like I said, it's not like there's anything super exciting, but sometimes you just need basics. So thinking this one over, but I like the price. So really just the shoes, which as you all know, now I'm basically forced into keeping them because of Stitch Fix math, but I don't know, I'll think it over. Thanks you guys, first of all, for watching this. I know it's been a little chaotic this time. Life has been a little bit chaotic lately. I'm not going to go into any details, but I just want everyone to know, I know you're all fighting your own battles out there, and I pray for people daily. There's lots going on, so we've got stuff going on in our house too, but we are trying to still move forward and have fun, and Watson is obviously exhausted. We had a really good day today and beautiful weather, so thanks for watching. I would love for you guys to subscribe. I have another box coming, I think, in 2 weeks, so I will go ahead and do a video at that time. Talk to you guys soon. Thanks so much.